People cried. Most people were silent. Vishnu takes on its multi-armed form and says, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.